It's day 19. Is it 19? Is it really? I can't believe it's the 19th today. Super exciting. I have a few things in my mind that I need to do today. But we'll see where the day takes me. But let's start off with my advent calendar. Only a few left. Of course that would happen. Let's see if it's here. No, it dropped on the floor. Right here. Ooh, coconut soothe clay face mask. Fun. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and begin. So I'm outside in the coop and I'm gonna carry this out so it gives the chickens some more room. My brother's gonna help me, so I'll be back when it's done. So it's out now, which gives chickens a lot more room to run around. See all that space. Yeah. That's it for now. Update you later. We have to go get some stuff for the animals, so we're gonna go uptown, but when I get back it'll be dark and I still have to get everything done, so I will be filming it. But yeah. Alrighty. We are back. I have to carry everything to the coop, let the ducks out, and then begin from there. I'm gonna turn my headlamp on. Where's the light? There we go. And get started. They're not going to be too much of a fan of my headlamp. They're afraid of flashlights for some reason. But let's see, I'm going to let them go to their pool. Don't worry, I know it's dark, but I will be supervising them. I'm not going to get attacked. All the chickens are sleeping. Gonna let the boys out. Disgusting in here. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm freezing out here. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of stall dry on this to try and make that dry that part up a little bit. Put that on the time lapse for you guys. It sucks the little chickies are coming down from the roosting bird and trying not to mess up their sleep schedule too much. But I got that stall dry laid down and I'm going to put the bedding in now. Alright, got the bedding, I'm going to open it. Gonna load it in there. It'll have to do for now. I may have to go over it tomorrow and add another layer on top. I obviously left it too long to add more bedding, but I'm gonna put this back now, put the ducks back in, and I'll update you then. Hey guys, it's all done in here. A little bit off. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've never done this late before, but hopefully the rest of the chickens go back to bed. I'm sure this was a little confusing for them. But yeah, I'll update you back inside. Lock the coop back up. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.